I keep showing you various types of food and drinks regularly, but what I've brought to show you today is something you've probably never seen being made before, and forget about eating it, brother. So without any delay, let's start the video. I'll show you how moong dal's mangodi is prepared and how it's eaten, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's begin the video. To prepare moong dal's mangodi or dal bori, first, the moong dal is soaked in water for 24 hours so that the lentils swell up perfectly. Then, it's transferred into large containers along with the water. Now that the dal has soaked, it's time to grind it. For this, a big machine is used here. All the dal is poured into the machine from the top and the ground dal comes out from the bottom. Small buckets are used to collect the dal. This is a diesel-operated machine that is started manually by rotating it. Once started, the tap is opened and all the dal gets ground and comes out from the bottom. Here, you can see the ground dal, which has a slightly coarse texture. To make dal bori, the dal is first beaten well. You can see here that the dal is poured into a large pot. Once the bucket is filled with dal, the machine is turned off and the dal is transferred to a whipping machine. Here, you can see this big machine with two wheels. Its job is to whip the dal. This machine does all the whipping, saving manual labor. As the dal is whipped, it turns slightly white, which is a sign that it's perfectly whipped and ready for making mangodi. Now, the dal is poured into round molds with holes at the bottom. The dal drips drop by drop, forming our mangodi. Here, you can see Didi has started placing the dal into the molds. The small droplets fall onto iron sheets, creating the mangodi. You can see how beautiful it looks. Brother, it's very pretty. In the old days, our grandmothers and great-grandmothers used to do this by hand. Just imagine how many hours it must have taken to prepare so much mangodi. Now, all the mangodi is spread out on iron sheets. They are then carefully lifted and placed in the sun to dry for about 2 days. On the first day, they are spread out evenly and left to dry. As they start drying a little, the sheets are lifted and placed on top of each other so that they get proper sunlight, and Bhaiya, the worker, gets more space to prepare more mangodi. Once the dal bori is completely dry, the trays are kept inside for a little more drying so that each bori can be easily removed. Let me tell you, dal bori is dried, but it's eaten in wet curries. Here, you can see all the dal bori has dried up. Now, they will be removed from the sheets. For this, the molds are placed upside down in this big rack and the dal bori comes out on its own. Here, you can see all the molds have been placed. Now, the dal bori will be removed one by one from each mold. Here, our dal bori is ready. Have you ever eaten it? Do let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.